Question number 1. Which domain includes plants and animals? Its options are A. Archaea, B. Bacteria, C. Eukarya, D. Protista. Its answer is option C. Eukarya. Question number 2. Which domain is most closely related to mitochondria and chloroplasts? Its options are A. Archaea, B. Bacteria, C. Eukarya, D. None of the above. Its answer is B. Bacteria according to endosymbiotic theory. Question number 3. What is the main difference between archaea and bacteria? Its options are cell wall composition, B. Membrane lipid structure, C. Genetic code, D. All of the above. Its correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 4. Which domain includes fungi? Its options are option A. Archaea, option B. Bacteria, option C. Eukarya, option D. Protista. Its correct answer is option C. Eukarya. Question number 5. What type of cells do eukarya have? Options are A. Prokaryotic, B. Eukaryotic, C. Both, D. Neither. Its answer is option B. Eukaryotic. Question number 6. What is the basic unit of classification? Its options are A. Family, B. Genus, C. Species, D. Order. Its correct answer is option C. Species. Question number 7. Who is known as the father of taxonomy? Its options are Charles Darwin, option B. Carl Linnaeus, option C. Ernest Haeckel, option D. Robert Whittaker. Its answer is option B. Carl Linnaeus. Question number 8. Binomial nomenclature consists of option A. Family and species, option B. Genus and species, option C. Order and genus, option D. Class and species. Its answer is option B. Question number 9. In the taxonomic hierarchy, the category immediately above species is option A. Family, option B. Genus, option C. Order, option D. Class. Its answer is option B. Genus. Question number 10. Kingdom Protista includes option A. Multicellular eukaryotes, option B. Unicellular prokaryotes, option C. Unicellular eukaryotes, option D. Multicellular prokaryotes. Its answer is option C. Question number 11. Which one of the following do not belong to Kingdom Protista? Options are A. Amoeba, B. Paramecium, C. Spirogyra, D. Escherichia coli. Its correct answer is option D, because Escherichia coli is a bacteria and it belongs to Kingdom Monera. Question number 12 is, what is the characteristics of Protista? Options are A. Multicellularity, option B. Eukaryotic cells, option C. Presence of cell walls, option D. Photosynthesis. Its correct answer is option B. Eukaryotic cells. Question number 13. Which group of Protista is photosynthetic? Option A is fungus-like protist, option B is algae, option C is protozoa, option D is slime molds. Its correct answer is option B, which is algae. Question number 14. Which one belongs to protozoa? Its options are A. Amoeba, B. Paramecium, C. Red algae, option D. Both options A and B. So correct answer is option D. Question number 15. How do protists obtain nutrients? Options are option A. Photosynthesis, option B. Heterotrophy, option C. None, option D. Both A and B. Its correct answer is option D, which is both A and B. Question number 16. What is a characteristic of fungi? Its options are option A, photosynthesis, option B, cell wall made of cellulose, option C, heterotrophic nutrition, option D, presence of chloroplast. Its correct answer is option C, which is heterotrophic nutrition. Question number 17. Reproduction in fungi occurs by formation of option A, flowers, option B, seeds, option C, fruits, option D, spores. Its correct answer is option D, spores. Question number 18. Example of fungus. Options are A, mushrooms, B, yeast, C, trypanosoma, option D, both A and B. Its correct answer is option D, both A and B, because trypanosoma belongs to Protista and it causes a disease which is known as sleeping sickness. Question number 19. Cell wall of fungi is made of. Options are option A, cellulose, option B, chitin, option C, lipids, option D, peptidoglycan. Its correct answer is option B, which is chitin, because cellulose is present in the cell walls of plant cells and peptidoglycan is present in the cell walls of bacteria. So the correct answer is the cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. Question number 20. How do fungi obtain nutrients? Its options are option A, photosynthesis, option B, digestion, option C, absorption, option D, symbiosis. Its correct answer is option C, which is absorption. Question number 21. The study of fungi is called option A, fungology, option B, mycology, option C, entomology, option D, zoology. Its correct answer is option B, mycology. Question number 22. The fungi which lack septa in their hyphae. Options are A, Basidiomycota, option B, Ascomycota, option C, Zygomycota, option D, toadstools. Its correct answer is option C, Zygomycota.